This one is Porsche Panamera S, and today we are going to replace the starting battery, which is placed in the trunk of this vehicle. As you can see, this starting battery is 75 AGM technology. As you can see, we have replaced the backup battery. This one is Varta F21 80 AGM. Make sure these terminals properly surface attached. And now I'm looking for all the 4 codes that were raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. This one is Panamera S. As you can see, these were all the full codes that were raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. Now I simply clear them, and after this step we will go and register the battery from 75 AGM to 80 AGM. Thanks for watching Pakistan.